Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing something that I feel like is super basic, but people have asked for it and I actually haven't ever done it before, which is a twist out tutorial. I feel like everybody's first video on YouTube was a twist out tutorial, but somehow I don't have a good quality one. Usually when I have really good hair days, it tends to be the day that I, of course, didn't record a video, but you're in luck because today my hair is poppin' and I recorded it all for you from start to finish. So I'm going to walk you through how I do my twist outs on freshly washed hair. I like to combine flat twist and 2-strand twist because the way that my hair is shaped, my hair is kind of one length all over because the back grows a lot faster than the front. So I like to try to create a tapered shape by doing flat twist in the front, which gets the length that I want, and doing regular 2-strand twist in the back, which, you know, just shrink up to that. And I only used one product for this. You know, I'm not the kind to like layer a cream and a gel and an oil. I don't do all of that. I just use one product to do this hairstyle, and I hope that you guys enjoy. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to, you know what to do. Hit them down below. All right, let's get into this video. So first things first, I'm going to be starting on freshly washed hair. I actually just did a co-wash, but my hair has started to dry out, so I'm going to spritz it with water because you do want to make sure that your hair is properly saturated in order to get the best definition. Now I'm going to section off my hair depending on how I want it to lay. If I want it to kind of lay to the side, I will do my flat twist going to the side. This style, I want it to be more of a fro, so I'm going to do my flat twist forward and then pick them so that it kind of stands straight up as opposed to going to either side. So I'm just going to create a section in the back, and in the back is where I will do regular 2-strand twists, and that is so when my hair is dry, the hair in the back will be a bit shorter than my hair in the front. My hair in the front shrinks up a ton, and I want to kind of like fake the tapered shape. So I do regular 2-strand twists in the back to encourage shrinkage, and then flat twists in the front half of my hair to try to elongate my hair. Once I've sectioned off my hair, I start to apply product. For this twist out, I'm going to be using Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard. It is the longest product name ever. But I am going in pretty heavy-handed with this because I'm not layering any other product with it. I'm not really worried about it flaking, but I just really want to make sure that my hair is moisturized, and that is why I put so much product on it. You want to make sure to really hit the ends of your hair with product because that's the difference between a scraggly looking twist out and a really bomb one. This is actually my first time using this product, but you'll see at the end it actually did a really good job of defining my hair, and I had several days of moisture, didn't have to re-moisturize or anything like that. So if you're looking for a new twist out cream, I can definitely recommend this one. For the actual flat twists, I like to use about 1-inch sections. I end up with maybe 8 flat twists across the front of my head. When I have one section, I detangle it, and then I take the beginning portion. I start each flat twist by just taking one small piece, splitting it into 2, and start twisting those over one another. I prefer to twist like kind of off the scalp, so I'll pick up pieces as I go with my thumb as opposed to doing it cornrow style where you kind of pick up the hair from the root. Not sure if that makes sense, but I just find it easier to do the flat twist like slightly off the scalp. So it's more like a 2-strand twist, but I'm adding in hair as opposed to an on the scalp flat twist. I let my hair dry overnight, so here is the full pattern: flat twist in the front and 2-strand twists in the back. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in my hands just to prevent frizz. I'm going to be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle 5 Essential Oils. And then I start taking down my twists. I begin unraveling my flat twists. As I said, because I already made defined sections, they're super easy to come undone. And then I move on to doing my 2-strand twists and undo all of those ones too. As you can see with the method that I do my flat twists, I have pretty much the same definition that I have from my regular 2-strand twist, so my hair is uniform throughout. It's just that doing flat twists saves me time because I can do a lot fewer of them, and it also helps stretch out the front of my hair versus the back of my hair. Rather than separating the strands in the front, I just pick it out. I use a metal pick and I just kind of go to town and pick my hair out from the roots to create volume at the root and leaving the ends intact. For the back, I will go ahead and separate the 2-strand twists in the back because they are a bit tighter and I do want to encourage them to shrink up for like the 15th time. Once I'm done fluffing and separating, I just use my hands to shape it into the shape that I want, so to kind of help create that fro that I'm going for. I really try, it's such a task, but I really try on day one not to over manipulate my hair because then I'll get less life out of it. So just kind of do the bare minimum so that it looks cute, it's nice and shapely. So if you ever see me rocking a twist out, it is more than likely that I achieved it using just one product, using flat twists in the front and 2-strand twists in the back. This is kind of how it's been working for me. And if you are unfamiliar with my channel, I'm the kind of person who I prioritize moisture over definition. So this in like 3 days is probably going to shrink up a ton, and I don't mind that whatsoever. So if you have any questions about this process or the products that I've used or the technique, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hope that you subscribe to my channel. See y'all in the next video. Bye.